Hello viewers, welcome to Poongodi's kitchen. Today we will see how to make guacamole. This is a Mexican dish made using avocados. It's very easy to make and avocados are excellent for the heart with lots of good cholesterol. So let's see the ingredients needed for the recipe. We need finely chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander and green chilli. You can use jalapenos in place of green chilli to make it more authentic. We also need some salt, pepper powder and half a lemon. I'm showing how to cut an avocado here. Make sure you buy a completely ripe avocado which will be brown in color on the outside. Green ones are usually hard and raw and you won't be able to mash it well. So you have to cut around it first and then twist it to open. Then you can take the seed off and finally you can scoop the avocado like how I've shown. It's easy to scoop it using a spoon. Scoop out both the pieces and keep it ready. We can start making the guacamole now. In a wide bowl, add the onions, tomatoes, and chopped green chilli. You can cut the scooped out avocado into smaller pieces. This makes it easy to mash everything later. Add the cut avocado into the bowl, followed by some coriander leaves. Then you can add salt and pepper powder. Now it's time to mash and mix all of these together well. You can either use a standard potato masher or a fork. I've used a fork here. The extent to which you mash is entirely based on your preference. Some people like it to be chunky, whereas others like it to be completely mashed. You can finish off by squeezing some lemon juice. This adds a nice zing and also keeps the guacamole fresh. So your guacamole is all ready now. You can eat it with toasted bread or use it as a dip for chips. If you liked the recipe, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment on the video. Thank you.